So boom, I got fired and signed up for Amazon Flex, and now I gotta clean out this car because I can't exactly deliver packages on top of 3 years worth of receipts, rolled French fries, and broken dreams.
Steph got gloves and a trash bag now. Looking at term and somehow Amazon Flex in the morning coming quick, so she cleaning up this whole situation brick by brick. Found a sock from who knows when. 3 crayons and a broken pen. Baby, where this stuff? Don't answer that. Hold on now. Is that a chicken nugget, Steph? Baby.
It ain't perfect at all, but it's good enough for me, baby.